Imagine this. Your site is loading slow, your product descriptions are boring, and customers leave without buying. Painful, right? Now, what if I told you that in 2025, AI tools can literally fix all of this for you faster than you can drink a cup of coffee? Sounds like hype, but stay with me because in this video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that are changing the game for WordPress owners. And tool number 5? I'll be honest, it feels almost unfair to use because of how powerful it is. Let's start with tool number 1, 10 Web Booster AI. I discovered this while fixing a client site that was completely drowning in speed issues. We're talking page speed score of 46 LCP over 4 seconds, the kind of numbers that make Google slap you out of search rankings. Normally, this would take a day of manual optimization, resizing images, tweaking CSS, moving scripts. But 10 Web's AI did the whole thing in minutes. It literally scanned the site, fixed the largest contentful paint, optimized images, lazy loaded everything, and bam! The score jumped into the 90s. You know what that means? Not only faster user experience, but also a massive SEO lift. Because in 2025, Google cares about speed almost as much as content. Now, on to tool number 2, Jasper AI for content. Here's the thing, content is what drives sales. But writing product descriptions, facts, blog posts, it's exhausting. I once helped an e-commerce owner who literally copied descriptions from their supplier. Guess what? Google hated it, customers didn't trust it, and sales tanked. We plugged Jasper in. Gave it a few keywords like eco-friendly sneakers and comfortable all-day wear, and it generated descriptions that were not only unique but also persuasive. The crazy part. Bounce rate dropped 18% after we swapped the content. That's the power of copywriting, and Jasper does it in minutes. Tool number 3 is a lifesaver for anyone who struggles with SEO, or Rank Math AI Assistant. Think about it. How many times have you stared at a blog draft thinking, is this optimized? Will it rank? Rank Math AI literally coaches you inside the WordPress editor. It tells you when to adjust your title, when to add keywords, even suggests semantically related phrases. I tested this on a post that wasn't ranking for months. After following Rank Math's AI tweaks, impressions doubled in just 2 weeks. SEO is no longer a guessing game. It's like having an expert in your dashboard 24/7. Tool number 4, Canva AI Design. And I know Canva isn't new, but in 2025, the AI upgrade makes it a must-have. Most WordPress owners are not designers, but visuals are half the battle. You need thumbnails, banners, product photos, and hiring a designer for every update is just not realistic. With Canva AI, you describe what you need. A modern banner for a summer sale in pastel colors. And within seconds, you get multiple ready-to-use designs. I've seen WooCommerce owners cut their design workload by 90%. And the best part? These designs actually look good enough to boost click-through rates. Now, the big one. Tool number 5, AI customer support bots, Tidio AI, Botsonic, or Intercom AI. This is where things get wild. Imagine a customer lands on your store at 2 a.m., has a question about shipping, or isn't sure about sizing. Normally they leave, sale gone. But with AI chatbots trained on your store's facts, policies, and product catalog, the bot answers instantly. I set this up for a client, and here's the result. Abandoned cart recovery jumped 27%. 27% more sales just because customers got instant help at any hour. And the best part? Customers said they felt like they were chatting with a real human. That's not just good, that's revolutionary. Let's pause and recap quickly. 1. 10 Web Booster AI, speed optimization in minutes. 2. Jasper AI writes high-converting content. 3. Rank Math AI Assistant, your personal SEO coach. 4. Canva AI Design, instant visuals that convert. 5. AI chatbots 24/7 customer support that saves sales. Now, here's my challenge to you. Which of these tools would you install first? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll pick one and do a full live demo in the next video. And trust me, You're going to want to miss that because I'll push these tools to the limit on a real WooCommerce store, and the results will shock you. Here's the truth. In 2025, the people who adopt AI early are going to leave everyone else behind. You can spend hours tweaking, writing, and designing manually, or you can let AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on growth. It's not about replacing you. It's about multiplying what you can do. So if you're serious about growing your WordPress site, hit that subscribe button right now, because my next upload is not just theory. It's a full case study where I use AI to build and optimize an entire store in one day. And the outcome? Let's just say it'll change the way you think about WordPress forever.